Have you ever wondered why the touch-me-not plant, or Mimosa pudica, dramatically wilts the moment you touch it? This fascinating reaction is a rapid defense mechanism. It's not magic, but a clever biological process involving water pressure. The base of each leaf are tiny, joint-like structures called pulvini. When touched, these structures trigger a sudden release of chemical signals. This causes ion channels in the cells to open, and water rushes out. This rapid loss of water leads to a drop in turgor pressure, making the cells go limp and the leaves fold inward. This sudden movement can startle a potential herbivore, protecting the plant from being eaten. After a few minutes, the water returns, the pressure builds back up, and the leaves reopen.